Welcome to the Downer Standard Training video series. If you haven't already watched How Do I Navigate TDS, that's a great place to start. You can find it in our learning library. Today, we are going to be looking at how you can provide feedback on TDS documents and processes. Most of the changes that we've made to the Downer Standard over the last 4 years have come directly from business feedback. This is how we know what works and what doesn't for our people. Therefore, we've improved the feedback process to capture and manage feedback more efficiently. There's now a feedback icon alongside individual documents in list views. Using this icon to access the feedback form is the best approach, as it pre-populates the fields with the document's details, making your job easier. In the feedback form, if you see there's an outstanding feedback item for the document, select the link to view the details before proceeding. This helps avoid duplicated submissions. However, if your feedback relates to a different topic, go ahead and complete the form. As mentioned earlier, the area of feedback and the document name fields will pre-populate. We've added more options to the feedback category list. Please select an appropriate category. Provide as much detail as possible in the feedback box, as this speeds up the resolution process. If multiple documents are impacted, link them to this form by toggling the button to Yes and attaching the relevant files. You can also attach other documents. Finally, submit the form. Once submitted, you'll receive an email confirmation with a unique ID. The email will be sent from the Downer Standard at downergroup.com. To leave the TDS user app and return to the main screen, select the X icon from the Browser tab, like this. Your original tab should still be open. Another way of submitting feedback is via the link in the top menu bar. This method is recommended for non-document related feedback. In this form, the document-related toggle defaults to No, however, you can switch it to Yes if you want. The Area of Feedback field allows you to assign a specific sector to resolve your feedback. As you can see, there's various options to choose from. If your feedback item relates to a TDS page, you can provide the URL to speed up the resolution process. When you've completed all fields, select Submit Feedback. This triggers an automated process designed to ensure feedback is assigned to the correct person, reviewed upfront for applicability, and linked to document updates via a closed-loop automated process. Once submitted, the steps include triage, reviewing and deciding on the best course of action, updating and publishing pages or documents if applicable, and providing communication and status updates along the way. So, who gets the feedback? Notifications can go to one or more people, or to group email boxes, based on the rules and key contacts. For example, document-related feedback goes direct to the document owner. The My Feedback History section lists your open feedback prior to September 2023, and any items you've submitted since. This page defaults to the Open Feedback view and shows the status of your feedback and who it has been assigned to. You can filter the list to suit your viewing preferences, or you can select the blue arrow to see more detail, including tasks and notes from the person assigned the feedback, which is also sent to you via email. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope it encourages you to provide feedback and continuously improve the Downer Standard. If you want more detailed instructions on the key features and functions of the Downer Standard, please watch the other quick reference videos available via the Learning Library.